Today is National Peanut Butter Day, but instead of doing something sweet, I thought I'd do something savory and refreshing with peanut butter. An Asian-inspired slaw with a peanut butter dressing. See that? Doesn't take long to make. It's really simple, cheap, and tasty. Let's try it. Damn, that's good.
It's one unique, one special vibe.